Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And as I was doing our weekend update, I was looking at DraftKings, and I was saying how if the stock doesn't print a higher high here relative to this 39.60 level, then that would be kind of the first yellow flag in this trend, because the stock has been printing higher intraday highs. Well, it's been closing higher every day too, but it's been printing higher intraday highs and higher intraday lows every day. And so just now, as I started this stock ran up to 39.85, which is a higher intraday high. So the hits just keep coming here on DraftKings. This is, I'd like to go to another stock because this is getting kind of boring, but I'm getting a lot of requests just to keep this trade going, so I will. Look, the stock just continues to move higher. Personally, maybe I'm the only guy, but personally, I have found these types of trades difficult to hold because they're making such good money. It's like the old Catholic in me starts feeling guilty about making so much money. So my tendency is to want to sell. And then as soon as I sell, then the stock goes up more, and then I feel like I got to buy it back. Lather, rinse, repeat. You keep doing this. Okay, well, the way I've found to kind of deal with that, to deal with my inner demons of needing to sell and book profits, but also learn from history and say, geez, stocks like this that are moving, they just kind of keep moving. And so why don't I just learn to ride the lightning on this stuff? What I do is I'll trade in fractions. I'll keep like a core position, stuff that I'm thinking, all right, I'm going to ride this thing till the last dog is dead. Then I'll trade around that. I'll buy some more. Then maybe I'll sell if I need to scratch that itch. But I'm always holding some stock with the idea, seriously, if a stock like this is moving up, I'll even say, you know what, I may be up 20%, 30% on the trade, but I'll be damned if I'm going to sell this first chunk of shares until I start losing money on it. You're trading around the rest of it and then just keeping that core position literally as kind of literally a core position that you're just going to hang on to unless the stock actually starts costing you money. What this does is it gives you staying power. It gives you the power to stay with a position when you're normally scared to death and you just want to sell it. So anyway, just keep it going with DraftKings. We'll pick up on this next week, and hopefully thing opens up at 42 and runs all the way to 50. Yippee-ki-yay.